Motivation. It's the fuel that powers the engine of success. Imagine, if you will, making one simple adjustment that could dramatically enhance your motivation and consequently alter the trajectory of your life. Intriguing, isn't it? The modification we're discussing here is the setting of precise, attainable goals. It might seem rudimentary, but believe me, it's a game changer. Possessing a clear endpoint in sight is akin to having a roadmap for your expedition. Whether it pertains to a professional landmark, a fitness objective, or a personal accomplishment, delineate what you aim to achieve. Deconstruct it into smaller, manageable tasks, and suddenly, that formidable challenge transforms into a sequence of achievable steps. This is where the magic unfurls, the domino effect. The attainment of one goal generates a positive momentum that propels you forward. This sensation of success stokes your motivation, facilitating the tackling of the subsequent challenge. It's a chain reaction. One minor achievement paves the way for another, and before you realize it, you've constructed an edifice of success. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. So said Winston Churchill. Now let's broach a straightforward technique to jumpstart this process, the 5-second rule. When you sense hesitation or self-doubt infiltrating, count backward from 5 and then spring into immediate action. This interrupts negative thought cycles and propels you into action before fear can hold you back. It's a small yet potent tool to mute that inner critic and maintain the momentum. So there you have it, the power of motivation encapsulated in one simple change: setting clear goals, harnessing the domino effect, and applying the 5-second rule. Remember, it's the small steps that lead to significant transformations. Scene script: like, share, subscribe for more motivation. If you found this video beneficial, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a motivation boost, and make sure to subscribe for more content to assist you on your journey to success. Until our next rendezvous, stay motivated and keep pursuing those dreams. You've got this.